Good afternoon, boys and girls. This is Miss Antoinette Brown, the principal. On this 49th National Day, I would like to read a lovely story to you, and I hope that you are going to enjoy listening to it. The story is about unity. It was written by Abir Balan, and the illustrations were done by Lujana Alasil. Unity makes us strong. Running home from school, I saw my grandparents and kissed them on their heads. "Grandfather, grandmother, look at the flag I made at school today." "Oh, wonderful," said grandmother. "Did you make it for National Day?" "Yes, grandmother, today is U.A.E. National Day." My teacher said that the Emirates used to be just a big desert, and the people lived in tents and raised sheep. They rode on camels, moving from one place to another, looking for water. "Yes, Sultan," said grandfather, "there are two kinds of Emiratis. There are Bedouins who move around looking for an oasis where they can plant palm trees. Then there were the sailors who lived near the sea, where they fish and dive for pearls." This was before they discovered oil. Painting outside, I excitedly told my grandfather, "Yes, and today we have tall buildings and factories and bullet trains. Isn't it amazing?" "You learned so much about your ancestors today in the school," said Mommy. "Why don't we go to Heritage Village to have a party with all our children?" "Oh, let's go," I said. I was so happy. We had so much fun at Heritage Village. I rode a camel and Daddy rode a horse. I carried a Shaheen with a blinder on his head, and Daddy had a big falcon. He was so brave. Mommy and my sister got henna painted on their hands. Grandmother sat in a Bedouin tent and drank coffee with cardamom, while she looked at the artifacts from our Emirati heritage. But grandfather surprised me. He danced with Yola dance, with a sword like the men dance in a line behind him. At dinner, we all ate haris, which is made from meat and grains. I took a spoon to eat with, but when I saw that grandfather was eating with his hands, in a loud voice I said, "I will eat with my hands too." For dessert, we ate lukaimat, and I ate so many. They were so sweet. They are my favorite. Suddenly, a band started playing on the street at the village. We all went outside to listen to them. They played the national anthem. I raised my Emirati flag and I sing along. I looked at the flag in my hand and I asked, "Why did they choose these colors for the Emirati flag, grandfather?" Grandfather said, "The green is for hope, the black is for determination, the white is for peace, and the red is for unity." Surprised, I asked him, "Unity? What does that mean?" Grandpa said, "I will tell you a story to help you understand unity." Long ago, there was an old man who had 7 grandchildren, and each one lived in a different emirate: Abu Dhabi, Dubai, Sharjah, Ashman, Al Quwain, Ras Al Khaimah, and Fujairah. The old man sent each grandchild a stick with a letter, asking him to break the stick in half. If they could break the stick in half, then they should come quickly to Abu Dhabi. The grandchildren were surprised by their grandfather's request, so they quickly did as he asked. All 7 hurried to Abu Dhabi, taking their broken sticks with them. The grandfather said, I see you are all here, and you all each have broken sticks in your hand. The old man collected the broken sticks together and said to them, "Now take these sticks and try to break them." One by one the children tried to break the bundle of sticks, but none of them could break it. The grandfather smiled and said, "If you are united like these 7 sticks, then no one can break you." Quickly I told my grandfather, "I know what the sticks are. They are the 7 Emirates." Surprised grandfather hugged me close to his chest and said, "Good job." "I also learned that unity makes us strong," I said proudly. Grandpa laughed. "You are a very smart boy, Sultan." Now, Miss Antoinette, know that all of you are also very smart and that you will keep safe and healthy during this holidays, and that you will enjoy reading and read as much as you can, as many times as you can. Have a wonderful break.